Welcome to Farber U, your specialty vehicle training hub. In today's video, we will discuss proper operation of your unit's slide-out doors. Let's begin. HWH hydraulic slide-outs use a pump, cylinders, and hydraulic fluid to move the room in and out. They rely on your RV's batteries and must only be used on level ground with the parking brake engaged. It is crucial that you also ensure no obstacles around the vehicle prior to deployment. Some systems include a starting key for their slide-out power switch. If your unit includes this key, turn it into the on position prior to use. To activate a hydraulic slide-out, press and hold the Extend button. Wait for full travel. Do not pulse the button. When the room stops moving, release the button. Do not partially open or close the slide-out. To close the slide-out, press the retract or close button. Be sure to check your surroundings first. This concludes your HWH slide-out training video from Farber U.